What's up, house money? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here in a place to be. And today, I'm talking about building your dreams, building goals. What is a goal? A goal is the object of a person's ambition or effort, an aim or desired result. My aim, my desired result was to build a successful life. That was my goal. I wanted to own my time, as a lot of people out there, I'm pretty sure, want to do the same. I wanted to do something one time and get paid for the rest of my life. Now, I wasn't always in real estate, so I didn't just start with this goal list, but after getting into it and kind of going through life, but I kind of felt like you can't just do something without having a plan, a goal. I'm not lazy. I really believe in beat myself, trying to outsmart myself, trying to work a lot smarter than I see other people work a lot harder. Those were just some of the things that I wanted to build a successful life.